Hello! Today I'm going to open this Dior box. The things inside I have been using since I'm 15 years old. I know this product, I love this product, so I wanted to talk about it and I wanted to do box opening. I like the Dior packagings and service better than any other brand. Even if you buy something so small, it doesn't matter, they will give you this beautiful box, beautiful ribbon. They take care of and love their customers. Some brands, they don't really care about it at all. So there is a card, and you can write a card. There's a card in it for me. Always and always, they make everything pretty. So this mascara I have been using ages. This is a new packaging of it, but I know this product, I love it. And this came as a gift with it. They made a duo. And there is a little Miss Dior perfume in it. And lip glove. I never use this, but I hear people are loving it. I'm happy to try it. I'm gonna try these. There's a little lip brush in there. And clear pink, rosewood, and mahogany. And that's it. That's a little cute Dior unboxing. Let's see. The Christmas packagings are so beautiful. Pretty. Ooh, this is cute. And it's not that tiny too. It's like, it's not a full size, but it's not like teeny tiny too. It's oh, beautiful. Bluish red. I might try this to show you guys. I never tried this one. And this is the Diorshow Mascara. I love it because I have long eyelashes. I don't have short eyelashes, but I can have fuller eyelashes. So this one, the Diorshow, always have like extra things in it to make your eyelashes look longer. The Halloween is at the corner. That's my little pumpkin here. Okay, I'm gonna try these for you guys to show how beautiful they are. The packaging is absolutely beautiful. Dior takes care of you. Oh, by the way, I bought this with my own money. There is no promotion or anything like that. Smells so good. I just tried this Miss Dior perfume. So good. This one. You squeeze here. There is like soft area to squeeze it, so it gets easy. Beautiful brush. It's medium size. Very nice brush. Yeah, this is the lipstick. 999. There we try. It's very easy to, it's very smooth, it's very soft, it's easy to put. It's not shiny, it's matte. It's a very nice color. It's a beautiful color. I like the way they made the duo. I recommend it, you guys. It's very nice. This is the mascara I have been using years and years. It's like fake eyelashes effect, literally. I love it. And this is the lipstick $9.99. It comes with it as a gift. I recommend it.